Hello CIT 336. This is Caitlin Morgan with my Enhancement 1 video presentation. This is my home.php page. This is the full browser size. Navigation, file folder, the banner image, my recipes and reviews, and my footer. This is my responsive site for a mobile view. It all shrinks down and my 2-column layout turns into 1-column layout. This was definitely the hardest part of this assignment. Here is my HTML validation for my home page. I did have a few errors I had to go and adjust, and I did that until I got a perfect score. Same thing with my CSS validator. Very few errors, but I did go through and find them all, and I was able to get a perfect score on this. And this is my template.php. Considering that I'm using this for my home page, I am uncertain why it is off-center. I'm using the exact same header and footer and navigation PHP modules. So I can't figure out why it's off center. I think once I put content in it, it centers it like it does when I have my home PHP open. So thanks so much for watching.